Hi, this is Tracy from Mindless Crafting, and today we're going to be making these adorable little paper teacups. This is just in time for Valentine's Day, so let's get started. The inspiration for this came from my friend Stacy, and she sent these cute little teacups for Bill and I. And so I decided that I would make my own version of it, and I hope you like it. I'm using the Be My Valentine 12 by 12 paper from Echo Park. It's super adorable. Look at all of these pretty papers. It's got stickers, and I thought I would use something that was double-sided. I think it looks much better when you're making these cups with some double-sided paper. Look how cute this is. I love this. Look at that. We've got a ton of stuff, tons of pretty paper to play with. I just want you to have a look at that. Oh, one of my favorites. That pattern keeps coming back to me. Of course, you got to have roses for Valentine. Look at that. Nice for card making. I'm going to enjoy this. Look at all the pretty envelopes on that one. Look at this. You can make tags. You can make cards. Matching cards to go with your teacup. And look how pretty that is. So it kind of gets really hard to choose which paper to use. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Candy hearts. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get our scoreboard out, and I'll show you what materials you need. Okay, I'll be using my ScorPal, but you can do this without having a scoreboard. I'm going to use some ScorTape. I'm going to need a piece of paper, and this is 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. And then you're going to need a smaller piece for your cup. That's going to be the teacup handle. This is going to be 4 1/2 by 1 inch. Okay, so let's start with this larger sheet here. So what you're going to need to score this, turning it this way. So vertical, you're going to score it at 1 1/2 inch. So right here. Okay, so you got 1 1/2 inch. You can't really see it, but I can see it. Then you're going to turn it this way, and you're going to score it at 1 inch. Okay, so let's see. We're going to do 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's what you should have for this, okay? So what I'm going to do is, let's get this on the side here for a moment, and what we're going to do is take this, I got to find my score line, and I want to really fold it real good. And already my hearts are upside down, but I'm not going to worry about that. That's going to be the inside of my cup. So just be careful to watch out for that. Make sure you have your pattern going in the other direction. Okay, so I'm just making my lines a little bit more noticeable here. I'm going to be folding my cup here. This is so adorable. I had to do one. I had seen these before, but I just had to go ahead and do it. So I hope that you give this a try as well. Make sure I got this on my score line there. So I'm just making it so it really folds over easily, and you could really see that. Okay. All All right, so it's already starting to form the cup. Okay, so what you're going to do now is you're going to, you see where this is the line here, right? These have the little folds here. You're going to cut that. Okay, so you're just going to cut right up to where that 1.5 inch score line is, right there. Okay. So you probably already see this coming together. And then right here, you're going to take this and you're going to cut that area there. And then you're going to cut off that little piece right there, because you won't need that part. Okay, so that's what you've got so far. So look how that's starting to come together. Okay, so this is what you should have, okay? Just make sure that if you're using pattern paper, that you have your pattern going in the right direction, which this will still work. That's going to be the inside of my cup. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to get your ScorTape. And you're going to take your ScorTape, and we're just going to use a piece to put right along this area right here. Now, I don't know if you can use other glue. You probably can. Leave comments if you've done this before and you know what, you can let us know what type of adhesive you use. Okay, so we're going to leave this like that for a moment. So now you're going to take 4 of these, and you're going to, just 4 of them, you're going to put ScorTape on 4 of them. So let me show you what you're going to do. You're going to take your ScorTape and you're going to put it around here, and enough of the adhesive to go around to this area right here. I love this ScorTape because it's easy to just kind of work with and peel on one side. And it sticks really good. I've had this stuff in my stash for a while and I thought, you know what, let me go ahead and use it. Okay, see how I'm doing that? Around this area and around this area, right here to here. So you're only doing it on 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. And as you do more of these, you'll get better. I did do a practice one to see how it would turn out, and it looked like it turned out fine. So I'll be showing you that one. So that's, see, I've already lost count. Let's see. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. See how quick that was? Right around there. Around there. Actually, that one is a little bit short, so I'm just going to add just a tiny bit more on that one. See, that one came up just a little bit short. Probably can't see it, but I'm going to go ahead like that. Okay, so now you remember this little 1/4 of an inch that's left there? We're going to take that off, right? I'm going to pull the backing off of that, and we're going to put it just like this so that it adheres. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that something else? Okay, so now we're going to peel these back. You see how that's starting to come together already? Do I look surprised? It's amazing. It just still amazes me what you can do with paper. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to peel off. You just find out where I started. You're going to take the one with the adhesive, and the one that doesn't have any adhesive on it, and you're going to line those up so they can meet in the middle. You want to put this one, the non-adhesive part, down first, just like this, and then you want to put the adhesive one on top, right? And you want to kind of keep the same shape so that it forms the shape of the cup, like that. Now you want that adhesive part to be on top of here, no adhesive on the bottom of that one. Now you're going to go and take another one. Let's take this one right here. Remove that sticky back there. Okay, and you're going to take this, right? You want the non-adhesive one, and you want that to meet up with the adhesive one in the middle. So it's starting to form that shape, and then all of these stick together, right? So that's how everything sticks together. Let's do another one, because I really want you to get this whole process. So I'm going to show you all of it. Right? Adhesive, non-adhesive, meet in the middle. Okay, and you got one more. Now for this one, let me show you what you're going to do with this one. The last one, now you want the adhesive one to go down first and the non-adhesive on top so you don't have any stickiness on here. Okay, and there you go. Look at that. Look at that. This is so cute. Okay, so now you're going to add your handle, right? Now, I'm just thinking about something else. I could actually add some bling to this. So let's see. I've got a little bit of bling here. So let me show you. And just in case you want to do this, you don't have to. Depending on where my handle goes, I could put my handle right here. Let's do it on this side. My handle is going to go like this. Yep. So I want to add a little piece of adhesive here, some more ScorTape. Right here to that edge. And then I'm going to add some on the opposite side on the bottom there. Let's just make sure, because we want it to come this way and land right there. Okay, so I think I'm going to put the handle on first and then add my bling. So one side this way, and then the other one on the opposite side going down here. And if I need to add some of my glue on there, I can. I'm pulling the backing off of these, and I'm just going to take this and maybe like just maybe almost a ½ an inch like that, and then this one right down here to form the handle of my cup. So give it a little bit of a press. And look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look how cute. You can make a bunch of these. Okay, so now I'm going to put my bling on. Now maybe if you want, you can do your bling differently. It's just up to you. So I'm just going to take this off of here and add some bling right down the center of my cup. If you want to go close to the seam, you can. I'll show you the other one that I did. You can put all kinds of little gems on here, right? So I could put one there. I can skip. Let's see if I skip. Put one there, maybe put one there. Let's see. I'm just going to keep that on there. So now all those little gems that you have, I know many of you have those Dollar Tree gems. This is what you can use them for. And what a cute little gift or party favor or what have you. You can use your stickers. Thanks to Stacy for the inspiration. As soon as she made that, I was like, I gotta make one of those. I'm just pulling off whole strips here and putting it right down the center, kind of skipping. Now noticing one of the things I probably should have done, you see right here, no one's really going to notice it. That is where I taped my cup. So you might want to put the handle over here to kind of camouflage it, or maybe somewhere right here. So it's up to you, but you really can't tell. Look how cute that is. And then on my handle, if I want to just drop a few of these on here, I could do that too. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Look how adorable that is. Oh my goodness. I'll be sure to put the measurements below. Let me show you the one that I did. I added candy to it. Look at that. All I did was I took one of my, this is the Love You stamp set, this little kitty cat right here. I colored it in, made my little matching tag, put some of my candies in here in a little baggie, and I used a tool on here to kind of give it a little bit more. And then just tie this together and you can just drop it right in your cup. Look how cute that is. And then this one, I just added some bling to it. I just added some bling. Look at that, right around it. Absolutely adorable. Look how cute. I can make a ton of these and give them to family and friends, co-workers. These will make great birthday gifts on a budget. Yep. So I will go ahead and I will put the link below to where you can get the paper. This stamp set, which is one of our stamp sets from last year from Mindless Crafting. This is the Love You stamp set. I'll put the link to that too. And I hope this gave you some inspiration. So I'll see you real soon. Bye.